Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hard Lil Baby type beat, updated. Start by setting tempo around 130 BPM and choose punchy 808s and crisp snares. Create a haunting melodic loop with minor tones and sparse chord hits. Layer trap hi-hats with alternating rolls and stutters for energy. Keep arrangements minimal to highlight vocals and give rappers space to deliver hard hooks and verses. Start drums by choosing a tight kick and a sub-B 808 that fills the low end without muddying the mix. Place snares or claps on beats 2 and 4 and add ghost notes to the snare for bounce. Sequence hi-hats with steady 1/16s and sprinkle in triplet rolls and pitch bends to taste. Keep percussion layers simple but dynamic so the beat hits hard and leave space for vocals to cut through clearly. Quick recommendation: on another note, I love the Oala water bottle for long studio sessions because it keeps hydration simple and spill-free, and it looks sleek on your desk. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future beat breakdowns. Check the description for the link and other deals and pick one up if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Compose a looped melodic motif in a minor key, using bell plucks, detuned synths, or soft pianos for a melancholic vibe. Keep the chord progression minimal, often 1 to 2 chords, and let the melody breathe. Add atmospheric elements like pads, reverse textures, or light reverb tails to create space. Automate filter sweeps and apply gentle saturation to the lead to help it stand out against heavy drums and 808 energy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.